Poultry skinning machines are a significant innovation in the poultry meat processing industry, helping to enhance production efficiency and ensure product quality. With advanced technology, this machine is capable of quickly and accurately removing skin and hair from the meat surface. Do you have a passion for chicken? Looking at the delicious pieces of fresh chicken, sliced thinly and displayed on tray, you can't help but feel craving for it. Each piece of meat reflects freshness and meticulous care from processing to preservation. The faded pink color combined with a bit of shiny fat represents maturity and nutritional richness. Besides its attractive appearance, the quality of fresh chicken meat also means safety and health for consumers. This is the result of strict production processes and the use of fresh ingredients, ensuring the highest food safety standards are met. The meat strip cutter is an indispensable tool in the modern food industry. Looking at these machines in action, we cannot help but be surprised at the accuracy and performance they bring. Through each cut, they create thin or thick strips of meat, depending on the final product. Requirements. Looking at the fresh slices of meat being sliced on the production line, you can't help but feel attractive and hungry. The freshness and uniformity in each slice of meat is clear evidence of high-quality care and processing. The meat opener plays an important role in the meat processing process, helping to remove unnecessary leaves and peels quickly and effectively. By using this machine, the job of opening the leaf meat becomes easier and saves time compared to doing it by hand. With the modernization and automation of meat openers, meat production becomes more flexible and efficient. This technology not only saves time and labor costs, but also ensures the quality and hygiene of the final product. This makes the meat opener an indispensable part of modern meat processing plants. Meat seasoning mixing equipment is not only an important tool, but also the secret. How to create a marbled silk scarf utilizing several combinations of combs to weave the paint into an intricate pattern. Cleaning tree holes is the first step in slowing down the growth of weeds. The nutritional value of the century eggs is higher than the other types, making it a favorite choice among many. A thin layer of scales on the surface will help improve safety and increase anti-slipability. Peelers must be careful, skillful, gentle, proficient and precise. After peeling the python skin, it is necessary to stretch the skin on a wooden board with the length equivalent to the length of the python skin. The more this process stretches the skin, the more uniform the thickness will be and the smoother the skin will be. After drying, the python skin will be neatly folded and divided into categories according to size. Python skin is sold for about $20. USD meters in length. Many python leather tanneries will dye the product depending on the customer's request. Python skin can be dyed red, black, blue to make products such as handbags, shoes. Python farms in Asia mainly export products to European and American markets to serve the industry high fashion. Some high-quality python skins can also be sold for $2,000 each. Python skin is a high-quality material in the production and manipulation of leather goods. Python skin products such as handbags, belts and wallets are very popular. One of the reasons why python skin is a great material for fashion accessories is because it is very sturdy and durable. In fact, python skin can last for decades because of its durability. It can withstand a lot of wear and tear, which is perfect for those who want to use the accessories every day. Handbag products designed from python skin cost from $500 to $10,000.